Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here to run through the trade with you on this fourth day of March 2026. And kind of an interesting twist on what it is that we do, which is our strong candle indicator trade, which we're going to look at right here with the number 2 over top of it. You'll see that we're trading into a rather big pivot, which is the previous pivot. And I never trade into the previous pivot. So I'm going to wait an extra candle to see if the next candle can close beyond it. And once that candle closes beyond the previous pivot, we'll look for a push retrace off of it, and we'll take this candle based on this strong candle right here. So now we've closed under the previous pivot. We'll wait for a push back and then push off, and then we'll go here. And this has a high probability of getting paid a rather large target. So we look over here at the PVI, expect the next candle to be anywhere between 80 and 100 ticks in length. So we go over to our ATMs. We're going to pair our ATM with the PVI. So we're going to go for 20 tick first targets. We'll then de-risk the trade completely, and we'll go for 40 tick and 80 tick runners. And this is how it all went down in the live trading room today. So we'll get an order short coming, and we'll just start it off. Now this has to come back. I'm not interested in this until it comes back and pushes into the previous pivot to make sure it wants to hold. So it's a strong candle trade, but we just waited an extra candle to get past the brick wall. Let's speed it up just a little. This has to at least touch the previous pivot, if not go beyond it. Hasn't quite touched it yet. There we go. Now it's touched it. Oops. Let's try it again. There we go. Again, we're going faster than the market speed usually is. There we go. Now all of our targets are set. Well, first thing we do is put our stop where it belongs, which is up here. And then we wait for our first target to get hit. We'll completely de-risk the trade. So let's go ahead and speed it up. Show you what the result was of this look. So the first target's been hit. Now the stop has come down to minus 18. We can't lose any money on this trade. If it comes back and takes us out at break even, we have to make a choice as to whether we want to re-enter the trade or not. But for right now, we're looking good. Second target's out. We can only make money on this trade, and we're looking to see if we can get our third target taken out. Boom. That trade took a little over 4 minutes to complete and was worth 805 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to bake 805 US dollars in 4 minutes, come and join us at in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com, the only place you're going to find the strong candle indicators. So we look forward to seeing you in the LTR real soon. Until next time, God bless you, and we'll see you then.